Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back to share haul with you guys. I've got some bits from the range and some bits from Wilkinsons. So the first lot I'm going to share is from Wilkinsons. So I picked up some of these. These were reduced, I think, to about 50p, I want to say, for four pens. So I picked up some of those. Picked up this cute little pink nail polish. Thought this would be great for the summer. It's really nice light pink, and I've had this make from Wilkinsons before and I like it, so I picked up one of those. Then picked up some paper straws. These were about 170 something. You get 100 in there. I thought that was quite good for paper straws. These are great for making wands. I've actually picked these up from my children, but you could make, you know, like the paper ones with these. They're also good if you cut down. You can make like a little banner to stick in like a birthday cake, or yeah, so you could make things like that. Or you don't have to use it in a cake, you could just make a little banner and send it to somebody so for them to use. Yeah, they've got multi-purposes sort of thing you can use these for. But I thought that's quite good for 100, and they come in all those different colours on the front there. So I picked up those. Then found these in the sale for 75p, just like the ring binder. I've actually picked these up for my daughter, but if she doesn't, they were originally 150. If she doesn't want them, or she's not going to use them, then I might alter them, and I may use them, yeah, for some projects. So I picked up a couple of those, and then the last thing I got from Wilkinsons was these. These were 50p, and it's 5 envelope folders. So I'm just going to take one out so you can see what they look like. You could use these if you punch some holes in these, and I could use them in this ring binder. But they've just got like a flap, don't know if you're going to see that very well on there, just like a plastic kind of wallet. But I may use these to store embellishments in, to give out Happy Mail, or I might cut them up and use them as shakers, because I'd get quite a few. If I make a little pocket, I've got my fuse tool, I can fuse that side with it and just make some little shakers. I might do that with a few of them. Like I said, you get 5 folders in each pack, and they were 50p. So I picked up those, and that's it from Wilkinsons, or Wilko should I say, which is what it's called now. The next lot is from the range. So I picked up some paint. I picked up this one, a banana yellow. These were all £1 each. Picked up this green one. What's it say? Vivid green. That one is banana yellow, and this one is classic rose. So yeah, I picked up those 3. I thought they're quite nice spring kind of colours. Then picked up some more of this, which is a standard double-sided tape, which I like using. These were £1 each, so I picked up 2 of those. Then found this in there, which I've not actually seen this in the range before. Well, not in my one anyway. It's a rhinestone ribbon reel. You get 3 yards of it, and it is 6 inches wide. And like I said, look, you get quite a lot on there. So yeah, I just thought that's quite nice. You can cut this. I have had this before, but I've never picked it. I think I've got it online. I've never got it from the range before. So yeah, I just thought that was really nice. Great finding. That was only £3.99, which again I thought was really, really good. Then picked up this. They've got quite a few bits in for the King's coronation. they had a lot of party bits and things like that, but I did manage to find some craft bits in that collect sort of that theme. I'm actually going to use these because we go to London quite a bit. The kids love it there. They like staying in central London. I just find if you stay there, you get more, you can fit more in. We could just go there for the day, but I just find that when you stay, you can, yeah, plan. Sort of, we go for nice long weekends and things. The kids absolutely just love it there. So, and there's lots of them to do. So I managed to pick up these. I'm going to make an album of all the times that we've been and different things that we've done. So you've got the London Eye, there you've got Postbox, bus, you've got the Corgi, yeah, so you've got quite a few bits on there. I did only get one of these, and I picked up two of these because I thought these were really cute. So you've got the King's Guards, you've got policeman, you've got the Big Ben, I couldn't think what it was called then. You get a couple of those. Yeah, so I just thought these were really cute. So I picked up, like I said, a couple of those. These I want to say were like under £1 each, these packs of stickers. This was £1, and you get loads of like little crowns in there of like sequins. So you've got them in the red, iridescent, blue, gold and silver. I thought they'd be quite nice to make shakers. And then the last thing I picked up was this. It's 20 by 20 centimeters, 24 sheets, 8 designs, and it is more paper than card. But it was just in the sort of London themed. I'll just do a quick flick through so you can see it. And this was only £1.99, so I thought that was quite good. Like I said, it is paper, it's not really card. And again, I thought that'd be quite nice to make an album so we can store photos in of our trips. So I got that. They did have, like I said, loads of other party stuff in that sort of thing in now. Next I found these, which is scrapbook paper and deco stickers. I've never had these before. I've never seen these before. Yeah, so they did have, I want to say, 4 different designs. I'll just take one out so you can kind of see, because I've never seen what these are kind of are. So you get this pack here, which I presume has got the papers in. So these are quite nice because they're like sort of the size for ATCs. So these again are paper, not card. But these are great for layering and things. Like I said, they'd be nice for, that's cute, that one, ATCs. Got that one, butterflies, believe in your dreams. So this one's obviously more mushrooms and butterfly themed. Oh, so that's paper. This is more like oh my gosh, what's it called? Tracing paper. This is what it feels like. So yeah, really cute. Again, keeping in the mushroom and butterfly theme. So they're the papers you get. And then in this one is the stickers. So you get these mushrooms with the white background. You get loads of different butterflies, mushrooms. You get a variety of those. You then get these squared. These is a whole sticker. So you get these ones, and they come in different sizes. more of those. Birds. Kind of like a post stamp one. Yeah, loads, absolutely loads of those. So that was quite good actually, and I think I paid, I want to say £1 or maybe just over £1 for that. So yeah, I got that one, and then this one is a more flower, it's like flower themed. So got those, and then found a couple of things I wanted to alter. So I found this one, and it's just like what do they call it? Well, it says round wooden hanging sign. I thought it was really cute with the sort of flower details at the top and the bottom, circular. So I thought that'd be quite nice to alter for like spring. And then the other one I got was this plaque. Yeah, I just thought that again would be nice to alter. So I got those two. They again were like £1.99 each. Then picked up this craft paper. I've had this craft paper in there before. I got it in the white A4 size. It's 200 GSM. Yeah, and you get 100 sheets, and this is £4.99. So I got that in the white. They do have it in the like coloured papers, and they do it in black, I think. But I only needed the white for now. And then picked up some more paper, and this size is A3. You get 25 sheets, 210 GSM in there, and I think this was like £3.99 or £2.99, something like that. I can't really remember how much that one was. Yeah, and again I got that in the white. They do have that in other colours. And then I picked this up for my son. It's a reward chart. This was £2.99. Includes over 400 stickers. And then the last thing I picked up was this shrink plastic A4 size. This was £2.99 for 10 sheets. I thought I'd give this go. I've been wanting to get some of shrink plastic for a while, and I just couldn't find it. I just thought for my stamps and things, it'd be quite nice to make them into little key rings and things like that, because I don't have many charms and things, so I'm hoping to make a few of my own using the stamps and things that I have. And that's it, guys. That's all I have to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next one. Have an awesome week, guys. Bye.